Welcome to Jen Bell Yoga. I'm Jen. Today I'm going to show you how to use a yoga strap to help improve your posture. If you've ever seen those devices that cost hundreds of dollars to help you improve your posture, you don't need those. All you need is an inexpensive yoga strap. This one is about 8 feet long. I'll put a description in the caption below as well as a link to the blog post for more info. I'm going to show you two methods to do this backpack. Start by folding your strap in half. Take the center point, place it around the back, right at your spine. From here, with one end of the strap on each hand, carefully take them over the same side shoulder. There are a couple of different ways to do this backpack, but I find this one to be the most effective. From here, take the two sides and cross them around the back. Then bring them back up to the front. Next, feed one side of the strap through the loops and bring it back across and then tighten. This is a super easy way to improve your posture. You can easily wear this underneath your clothes as well. Another way to do this backpack is to start with your belt folded in half. Take the center part, place it behind the neck. Next, each side of the strap goes underneath the arms. Now cross the straps behind you and bring them back to the front. One side of the strap in each hand, and again, feed the one side of the belt through the loops and back around. And there you go. Those are two different ways to do the yoga backpack. Thanks for joining me. I hope you found this helpful. Hit subscribe and I'll see you again soon.